my Mike from Empire Chrome here in West Memphis, Arkansas, and we just finished installing the shifter extension. But I want to show you everything you're gonna need to do one. So usually it's the 5/32 air line and the 5/32 quick connects. 3 or 4 of them, however many air lines you got. You'll need your extension, 2 3/4-inch wrenches, 1 jam nut, needle nose pliers, torque bit, and a flathead screwdriver.
That's all you need?
Yeah, the flathead screwdriver is in case you got to pull the top off the knob to get to it. That's 13 or 18 speed. You'll have to have that because you have to take the top off and put a new knob on or whatever. But the one we did today, we just used the same knob, so we didn't have to do all that. And you'll want your tub for the 18 speeds and whatever, because they got the ball bearing and the springs in them. You don't want to lose that because they're kind of hard to find, you know. So anyway, that's all you need. Okay, today we're going to install a shifter extension. I'm going to use the same knob. This is a 10 speed, so we don't have to worry about the little BB, the little ball bearing or whatever it is in the springs, because they don't have it in there. If it was a 13 speed or something like 18 speed, we'd have to that's a whole different process there. But we take this down, we check to see how many airlines we got and the size of our airlines, which is a 5/32. Okay. And we're going to install a 12-inch extension. So, take it loose here. That opens up all that stuff. Then we take our needle nose pliers and we'll push up on our little connects here so we can pull our air lines out of them. And sometimes they're easy and sometimes they're not. Lord have mercy. Like I said, sometimes they come right out, sometimes they don't.
Every once in a while we'll come across one that's real difficult.
Like this one. And it could just be. It's coming. There we go. Take your 3/4-inch wrench. You bring 2 of them to loosen that up. All right. the other nut back up here. And then you take your other nut that you brought with you, you put on top of that. This is what we call a jam nut. So we can take and tighten it down. Okay, then when you got that tightened down, you take your other 3/4 inch wrench, so you can take that back loose without loosening your extension back up. Voila, now your extension's on there. Okay. Quick next, just slip right on there and give them a few good pulls. Make sure it's on there good. And if you put them on there and you start the truck back up and it starts building up air pressure and it leaks, all you gotta do is that right there. Make sure it's on there good. Remember where your hose went. This one went here. This one went right here. That thing is not going to reach back up there, so I don't know what it's going to do about that.
A shifter cover will make it look real nice and neat.
Screw it back in there. That's it.
That's all there is to it.
One shifter extension. We'll give me some zip ties. Put me probably one right there. So hold it. That'll be that.
Thanks, Purkey.
All right.